You will see immediate evidence. I will activate your mind to manifest instantly. This might be one of the most powerful manifestation videos that you ever see, and I really mean that. This is not just spiritual make-believe. I'm going to show you the science to really back this up. Even if you're someone who questions whether manifestation is real, this is really going to land for you. What I want to show you today is very simple, but also very revealing, because a lot of people talk about manifestation. They talk about mindset. They talk about spirituality. They try lots of things, but they don't really see any proof. And when you don't see proof, your mind stays skeptical and you're always left wondering if this thing is really real. But I promise you, it absolutely is. So today, I don't want you to believe anything. I don't want you to try anything. You don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is listen closely to the end of this video. There really is no effort for you to make. And when you notice this for yourself, that's when things become real. It's not just spiritual. It's not mystical. This is actually how your brain filters reality. And I'm going to activate your mind to see abundance everywhere you go. Before we get started, leave a comment below. I'm ready for abundance to really set your intention with the universe. I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive abundance into their lives. If you would like to go deeper and 10x the speed of your manifestation, check the link in the description. You could see hundreds of testimonials from real people and book a call. If it resonates, make sure you scroll all the way down because there's hundreds of testimonials. Let's get started with the activation. I'm going to activate your mind to manifest massive abundance right now, and I'm going to give you a very simple sign. The sign that we're going to use is white vans. Yes, white vans, plain white vans, delivery vans, work vans, the kind of vans that you see every day, but you don't really think about it. Don't try and picture them. Don't try and force it, and don't overthink about it. Just let those words land for you. White vans. From today, I want you to casually notice how often you see white vans. No scanning, no hunting, and no testing this out. Just gently noticing. You might see them when you're driving, at traffic lights, on the motorway, on the highway, when you're out shopping, on television, or just parked on the sides of the road. You're going to start noticing them more than ever before. And here's the interesting part. You're going to feel like they suddenly multiplied, like they're absolutely everywhere and you can't stop seeing them. It's going to feel like they weren't even there before, but they always were. And that's the magic of this thing. Although it's not really magic, it's just science. Your awareness just wasn't tuned into them, even though they were always there. This is all down to one very special and powerful part of your brain, the reticular activating system, or the RAS. The RAS filters out things that match your predominant thoughts. Its only job is to filter out information. Right now, there's sounds you're not hearing, there's objects you're not seeing, and there's so much information that your brain is quite literally deleting. Your brain does this to keep you sane, because there's so much stuff that if it noticed everything, you'd be seriously overwhelmed. So your mind is asking one question all day long. What is important? When you decide something is important, even casually, your mind starts to filter out more things that pertain to that. You can think of this like the notifications on your phone. You don't get notified about everything, only the ones that you've allowed. This is the same thing. There's an important reason why I didn't just choose money here, because money is not neutral for most people. Money holds a lot of resistance for a lot of people. When people say, I'm manifesting money, their body tightens, their breathing changes, and their nervous system contracts. For white vans, there's no story, there's no labels, and there's no resistance. It's just neutral. When there's no emotional charge, the system works immediately. This is why manifestation works so easily with neutral things, and then it feels like a struggle when things are emotionally charged. I bet when you got into manifestation, you started manifesting parking spaces, right? You started manifesting cups of coffee, people holding doors open for you. But when you tried for that big amount of money, things didn't come so easily. It's just about resistance. I bet you've had it when you've never seen a certain type of car before, but someone in your family has bought that model of car, and all you see is that car everywhere you go. You just activated the RAS. Now here's where this becomes powerful. Every time you see a white van, I want you to attach it to the word abundance and gently associate it with abundance moving towards you. Not excited, not desperate, just neutral, natural, and gentle. You're not asking for money. You're not visualizing bank balances, and you're not forcing any beliefs. Manifestation is about remembering to stay in a vibration of abundance as much as possible. And these reminders are going to come thick and fast when you lock in these white vans. You're training your awareness here. And when awareness changes, opportunities change, timings change, synchronicities start happening out of nowhere. Your brain is start to believe that you're seeing abundance everywhere you go, because the truth is, abundance is everywhere. We're just not seeing it because we're focused on things that don't really matter. Most people think it's difficult to make £10,000, £20,000 or dollars a month because they have so much resistance around money. But next time you're out on the road, think of every car driving past you, 10k, 20k, 25k, 30k, 10k, every second whizzing past. Every time you see these white vans, you're going to think about abundance, think about 20k. Every time you see these vans, you're going to start to wire in a new subconscious identity that abundance is everywhere. Because that's the truth, you know. Even inside you, 50 trillion cells. You are total abundance, and we're really going to activate it through this process. I do this myself, and it's very, very powerful. I look for abundance everywhere I go. And after I've recorded this, every time I see a white van, I'm going to let that word abundance seep into my consciousness. I'm going to take a big, slow, deep breath and feel that word abundance in every cell of my body. When you see the white vans, remember what abundance means to you. Is it shopping at your favorite store, eating your favorite food, laying in a hammock on your favorite beach, spending time with your loved ones? When you see a white van, think about that word abundance. And just hold that feeling for a short amount of time. This is going to happen so often that your vibration is going to compound consistently, and you're going to see massive synchronicities and opportunities of abundance coming into your life. And here's the trick. Don't overthink this. Overthinking is what blocks it. Just leave it soft, leave it gentle, and leave it neutral. Overthinking is just your nervous system trying to control outcomes. And the truth is, you're manifesting from your nervous system. Your nervous system creates the vibrations in your body that are sent out into the quantum field. And if you're in survival mode, worrying, overthinking, fight or flight, then your nervous system seizes up. And it's really difficult for you to manifest with ease. So here's what I want you to do. Just go about your life. Don't force anything. Don't look for anything, and just see what your mind wants to see. All you have to do is gently notice what's going on around you. It was always there before, you just weren't tuned into it. You're probably going to laugh when this starts happening, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Make sure you come back and tell me in the comments when you start noticing this, because you're going to realize how powerful your mind really is. And this is how manifestation really works. Not by chasing, not by forcing outcomes, but by changing your awareness. When awareness changes, reality must follow. When awareness changes, reality must follow. I hope you enjoyed that as much as me. Thank you so much for spending your wonderful time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.